All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2016 Nissan Sentra. It is the SV model, this beautiful royal blue and black interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera, 29,000 miles on this car. Best of all, minimum damage. Your front bumper looks pretty damn good. Your front hood looks good. Looks like watermarks right there. That looks good. Your front fender here looks pretty good. Your front driver's hubcap looks pretty nice. Check out your tire thread. Under 730 seconds. Let me double check it. Under 730 seconds, above 4. This door looks good. This rear door looks pretty good. Does seem to have a little dent right there. No paint off. And this quarter here looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger hubcap. And your tire thread here. Under 730 seconds, above 4. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, your power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Let me jump in here. Turn it on for you guys. It is a push start system. Does come with 2 key AM, FM, stereo system. That's obviously working. Does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. You got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. Turn the lights. All right, you got your backup camera, POW, AC controls right down below. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues, and your mileage of 29,221. Pretty much completes the tour for in here. Keep it on. Open up the trunk. Keep it moving. Here's, of course, your rear passenger seat and what that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Rear bumper. Looks pretty good. Has a heavy scratch here. Another one there. Another one over here in the corner, about 3 inches. All right. Your deck lid looks pretty good. Does seem to have a heavy scratch here. Been touched up. 3, 6. About 6. And then another one here, about 2. All right. Here's our rear trunk space and what that looks like. Pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here. Boom, with some tools. And then, of course, your owner's manual is right there. This quarter here looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger hubcap. And your tire thread here is just over 730 seconds, or just at the line. This door looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger seat. The other side of it, no holes, no tears, no rips. Front passenger door looks pretty good. Front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. From passenger seat, sorry. Fender here looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger hubcap. And your tire thread is under 730 seconds, above 4. All lights are working. This car comes to fog lights, but no button inside to turn it on. Just letting you guys know, you'd have to buy that button for those fog lights to work. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is a 2016 Nissan Sentra SV model with 29,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.